Hello, my dear friends. How is going on? I am Sujit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Marketing Mindset, and this review video of Profit Rocket. So today I am here with the review video of Profit Rocket, and we'll go through one by one in detail, and I'll show you what does this product offer and what benefit you will be getting out of this product. So before jumping to anything, if you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing it, because in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, I talk about blogging, I talk about how to generate money by working online and working from home, all those things. And also I come up with different review videos frequently. So if you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing it and watch this page regularly. Okay, so we'll go through this product in detail, and I'll take you to my bonus page as well, and I'll show you what are the custom bonuses that I have gathered for you by spending lots of time. And also I have a super bumper bonus for you on top of everything. I'll show you in detail shortly, so keep watching this video until end to understand everything. Okay, so before that, let me show you something. If you are on this video, watching this video and on this channel, then you are definitely looking to make money online, or you are just starting to make money online, and starting to do that, and you are planning to generate the online income as a passive income, or maybe your main income source, whatever you are planning to do. But if you are struggling to do that, and you are not generating that much of income you are expected to do, then watch this video. I'll reveal some tips for you, which I have learned from my mentors and by spending thousands of dollars for these courses. Okay, so everyone in this niche, make money online niche, um, by watching videos here and there and YouTube, you can generate few amount of income, but not huge amount of income. You will not be able to do that definitely. For that you need to choose a mentor, follow them, and follow whatever they are doing, whatever they are teaching, and then progress step by step. Don't jump into the deep at a time, so you'll fall down. Okay, and you'll fail down also for generating income online. So this is one of the golden tip. Apart from that, I'll show you something, just a moment. Okay, let me drag this to somewhere else. Okay, so here point number one, here just pay attention here what I'm saying. I have learned this from my mentors by paying the thousands of dollars of fees to them, and I've learned all those things, and I am here to teach you or share my knowledge to you guys also, so that it will enhance my knowledge as well, and it will help you enhancing your knowledge on this make money online niche. So don't worry, I'll take you to the product detail as well, but this is one of the golden tip that you'll never forget it if you learn it. Okay, if you are planning to make money online. So the point number one is, before you promote your products using your affiliate link, build your own business. Then what does it mean? See, in this field, whenever any beginners jump into this field, what he thinks about it, just I'll watch some videos from YouTube or here and there, then I'll create a website, I'll put my affiliate links, I'll put my banners here and there, and I'll generate income. So one thing you need to understand here is, in this planet there are millions or maybe billions of websites. So putting your link on a website and putting some banners will not work. No one is going to watch that website and purchase it, and where they will purchase it from your website. So for that you need to have a strategy, and for that you need to have a appropriate content and those content should provide some value to your buyers or customers whoever are visiting your website. Okay, for that, the second point is that I'll show you here. Build your followers or customers or buyers. You need to create a traffic source to do that. Okay, what does it mean? That means before promoting any products through your affiliate link, you need to build your list, customers or followers, then provide value to them, then encourage them to buy this valuable product whatever you are promoting. So how that can be done? So the next step, once you have your own buyers list or customers, you are ready to promote your products and generate income online. Okay, so to achieve all these points explained above, Pinterest is a great interface to help you building your traffic source. Okay, traffic is the main source for you to generate income online. Okay, so where am I talking about this? So this product, Profit Rocket, is a information product or a series of videos which provides tons of value and teach you A to Z of the Pinterest affiliate marketing and how you can grow your Pinterest and generate commissions using the Pinterest traffic. So in Pinterest, you can be benefited in two ways. You can generate your profile in Pinterest and generate followers as well and potential customers or buyers. Also at the same time, you can drive traffic to Pinterest, to your website from Pinterest, so that your website authority will be also be increased. So this is the product all about we'll be reviewing today. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share it today, and in other day I'll share another tip which I have learned from my mentors, okay, in this niche. Okay, now I'll take you to my bonus page and show you. So you can see I'm on the members area of Profit Rocket, and it contains a series of videos and trainings and all the case studies. You can see I have already watched all of them. So let me, without wasting time, let me take to my bonus page and I'll show you what are the custom bonuses and one of the most important bumper bonus I have gathered for you today, which will help you building your buyers and customer list. Okay, I'll show you shortly here in my bonus page. So just a moment. Okay, I'm on the bonus page. My bonus page, you can see Sujit's bumper bonus bundle, and I'll take you in detail in this page, and I'll show you. So this Profit Rocket product is released on 3rd of December 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so you can see there is a countdown here, and this bonus page will be live until this countdown hits to 0, and you need to take action to grab all my bonuses and bumper bonuses as well. Okay, so you can see that countdown is already running. So this bonus page will be live 5th of December until Saturday and 11:59 p.m. Okay, before that you need to take action, and this product is released on 3rd of December 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in nutshell, Profit Rocket is a Pinterest based information or video series which will teach you from A to Z everything, how you can create a Pinterest profile or account, till how you can monetize your Pinterest profile and generate income online. Okay, so in this product everything is explained along with the case studies and also there are a few upsells with the done for you contents, and everything we'll see when I'll take you through the members area. Okay, so before that I'll just take you so you can see this is my bumper bonus for today, and this is unique bonus. You can see you will not get this bonus anywhere else. You can roam around any of the YouTube review videos, and always feel free to come here and see if this bonus is available anywhere. Okay, because I have the license and agency rights of this, and that's why I'm giving it to you as a part of this. So this is the bumper bonus that I showed you. On top of that, there are 4 more bonuses, and vendor bonuses are also there. So I'm explaining what are these. So you can see the bonus number 1 is Mobily and plus Launch Jacker. So what these two softwares? One these are actually two softwares or information tutorial you can understand about that. What is this about? This actually shows you how to generate income online using your mobile phones. So you are always using your mobile phone, and your mobile phones are very handy and always with you, right? So utilize that mobile phone in your time and generate money online. And in Launchjacker, this is one of the method to show how you can promote your products using launch jacking formula. So these products looks like this. um, I'll show you if it loads. And before that, let me show you the bumper bonus itself. Okay, so this is the bumper bonus that I showed you at first. And what this product is about, this is the Atomic Done For You bonus, which is actually a library of few of the e-books and other digital products which you can utilize while building your traffic and buyers list. And this also provides a squeeze page and opt-in page. You can also monetize this page. Suppose these are the products, digital products or ebooks or whatever that those may be. You can choose any of them. I'll click on select here. Okay, I'll show you what benefit you'll be getting out of this bonus. That's why I'm showing and taking a bit of time, okay, to explain you. Anyway, I'll show you the main product also, but this is also important, right? So you can see I have chosen one product, and I have selected one of the template. You can click on lead page or monetized page. So I'll click on monetized page, and it will provide me few lots of template you can see in shortly. Okay, let it load and I'll show you. You can create your squeeze page and monetize them also. So it will provide you lots of template, and you can build customize your template and build it, and then promote your product by giving away to your customers or buyers and for free, or you can also use them for generating your leads, and which is called maybe potential buyers. So you can select any of these templates and then create your lead page or buy sales page. I mean to say, you can monetize that page. Okay, this is what about this Atomic Done For You, which is a bumper bonus for you. Okay, and the bonus number 1 I was talking about was the Mobily and this launch jacking formula, which is also a video tutorial which will teach you how to generate online income using product reviews and by launch jacking formula. Okay, so that is this product was is about. And Now I'll take you to my bonus page again and I'll show you. So the first bonuses I have explained you in detail. I'll not take much time for others. So let me close all of this now. Okay, so bonus number two is explode your YouTube channel. So in this tutorial you'll learn how to explode your YouTube channel from A to Z, from how to create a YouTube channel, how to um, monetize it, how to structure it, how to provide description, tagging, everything, and rank your your review videos or whatever videos in YouTube to generate online income. So everything will be explained in that tutorial. Okay, that was about bonus number two. Bonus number three, I'll be providing you learn how to do a proper email marketing. So in detail it will be explained here how to do email marketing and improve your engagements and click rates. Okay, so everything will be explained as a part of this bonus in detail. bonus number four Bonus number four is uh, I'll provide you the license rights to Insurgency. And what is this product about? Insurgency is also a Facebook traffic related software which actually helps gathering uh, um, Facebook traffic and then promote your products and make sales using it. So you will be getting the license right to this Insurgency product, so that you can also promote this product and generate income online. Okay, and bonus number five is all the vendor bonuses, whatever the vendor has given to us to give it to you. So all will be delivered to your members area once you purchase it. So as I mentioned earlier, you need to click on any of this yellow button in this my bonus page until this countdown hits to 0, and you need to take action. So whatever bonuses are listed here, it will be instantly delivered to your account or members area, or in this bonus page to your bonus page. So to claim all these bonuses, you need to take action online, as I explained before. This bonus page comes down, and you need before 5th of December 2020. Okay, 11:59 p.m. So these are all the bonuses, everything. So once you purchase it, you need to first actually click on the link below provided in this description area of this review video, then come to my bonus page, then click on any of the yellow button here, then go to the sales page, then you can purchase it. Okay, so once you purchased it, you will be sent an one email, then click on that link and you will be taken to this Warrior Plus page. When you click on this blue button, you will be getting all the bonuses delivered to you instantly, 100% free, even if you are buying the front end version of this Profit Rocket, which costs $9.45 for you. So this is very little amount of money that you need to spend to claim all those instant bonuses. Okay, so now I'll take you to the members area of Profit Rocket and explain you everything one by one. Okay, I'm on the members area of Profit Rocket, you can see, and I have gone through all those video series one by one. You can see the tick mark here and understood it very clearly. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you're looking to generate online income, then definitely you need to gather or build your traffic or buyer list and followers. so that you can generate income online by promoting your products forever. So this Profit Rocket product is a series of video which will teach you how to generate traffic from Pinterest and build your Pinterest profile, and also your own website authority, so that you can promote your own products using your website as well. So you can see from the beginning, introduction to the main training, what is the Pinterest all about, the Pinterest mission, the Pinterest mobile app, how does it work, setting of your Pinterest profile, claiming your website Pinterest account. Claiming your website means how to connect your Pinterest account with your own website. Okay, so that Pinterest uh, traffic will be driven to your own website, which will help you building your website authority. Then other important Pinterest settings in detail, everything will be explained here. I have gone through all of them. Upgrading to a Pinterest business account, what is Pinterest business account, how it is useful to you, everything is explained. So I'll just tell you, Pinterest business account helps you running Pinterest ad. This is totally a free method. They will teach everything how, in case you want to run Pinterest ad also, which is very less, costs very less to run Pinterest ad. So everything will be explained as a part of this video series. Creating Pinterest boards, creating pins, creating Pinterest communities, save time, automatic Pinterest integration with Zapier, how you can automate your Pinterest pins to be posted to your Pinterest automatically. Then create image content for Pinterest and done for you option. So I'll explain you in detail about later on. Creating video content for Pinterest, creating audio content for Pinterest, how to schedule Pinterest content. So everything will be explained here. Sharing, syndicating Pinterest content on blogs. Syndicating Pinterest content on blogs means drive traffic to your website blogs and build authority, so that it will rank in Google and more visitors will be visiting to your website. This means that, okay, leveraging the Pinterest news feed, how to interact with Pinterest content, creating sponsored Pinterest post, conclusion of the main Pinterest training. So see how in detail training is provided here. By the way, this product Profit Rocket has been created by Johnny Rose. Okay, so he has lots of experience in doing in affiliate marketing and making money online. Okay, so that is about this main training module. The second module is case studies. So the actual case studies will be shown here, how you can, or people are generating money using this Pinterest strategies. Okay, so everything will be explained here, and this all the live it will be shown live to you how you can do that, so that you can replicate accordingly at your end as well. And introduction to Pinterest case studies, then repeatable $100 plus days with Pinterest plus ClickBank, ecom 0 to thousands with organic Pinterest traffic, go run 10 plus Amazon affiliate sales a day plus Pinterest. So I watched this video and surprised, and really this is very useful and effective method for promoting Amazon products. Okay, you must go through this once you purchase it and implement it. Then Akhtar Alam will be teaching you creating multiple money links in one Pinterest profile, how you can monetize for multiple products using one click or one Pinterest pin, right? So whenever any visitor is clicking one Pinterest pin, that is one picture or photo on Pinterest, and if they click on one Pinterest pin, it will take you to some page, and how you can monetize multiple products within that one click, so that it will maximize your chances of sale. That means your customer will be have multiple options of product there and maybe end up buying one of them. So how effective that method, you will be able to learn there. Okay, so very nice video, I must appreciate that there. And then Pinterest SEO, how to get straight number one every time. Okay, so all these video tutorials are available once you purchase and come to this members area. So at last there is a conclusion, you have finished, so what now? So everything is explained here. Then there are also few upgrade option. You can see Profit Rocket Pro version, which cost $27. Add W Warrior Plus button, Profit Rocket done for you, $47, which actually provides done for you Pinterest templates and content ready to be posted on Pinterest, and just by attaching your affiliate link, and you are ready to start your affiliate promotions there. So you'll be getting, I think, 6,000 done for you post, you can see. So that is the upgrade about. And another one is Profit Rocket resale rights, which cost 97. Profit Rocket coaching, $77. So I'll explain you in detail in my bonus page again. Then there are free traffic bonuses are also here, so you'll be getting all these bonuses, you can see here. These are the additional bonuses whatever I explained in my bonus page. And there are special unannounced bonuses are also here. So there are huge amount of bonuses you will be getting as a part of Profit Rocket if you are purchasing this. Okay, so this is the product about. I have explained everything because these are all the videos and training videos. I'm not clicking on them, but once you purchase, then you can go through in detail and implement that at your end as soon as possible and start generating money online. Okay, so now I'll take you to my bonus page again, and I will talk about the upsells now. Okay, so as I mentioned, the front end of Profit Rocket cost $9.45. Access the powerful Profit Rocket software and training modules, everything. The upsell number one, which is Profit Rocket Pro, which costs actually $27, and downsell of $17. This upgraded video course contains over the shoulder teaching that will bring your business to the next level using the Profit Rocket strategy. Okay, so you'll be getting advanced level of videos or tutorials so that you can skyrocket your affiliate marketing. Okay, using Pinterest. And Profit Rocket Pros shows you another platform with zero competition and how you can start reaching buyers in any niche you want. So there is another video with another platform also you'll be getting as a part of Pro version. Okay, the next one, upsell number two, which provides the Profit Rocket done for you, which cost actually $47, and downsell of $27, which provides 6,000 plus Pinterest templates, which includes motivational, inspirational quotes for make money online, niche, entrepreneurs, business, etc. All completely done for you. And here I'll say $47 is the full version of this done for you. If we are going for downsell of $27, then maybe you will be getting half of this. Okay, so I'll encourage you to purchase this one because this adds much value in my opinion. Okay, upsell number three is Profit Rocket resell rights, which cost $97, and downsell of $67. Keep the profits when you resell Profit Rocket to friends, family, and email list or social media audience. But the resell rights and Johnny will bump your commissions throughout the entire sales funnel. So this provides you commission bumps to up to full, I believe, and through the entire funnel of Profit Rocket. And upsell number four is Profit Rocket coaching, which cost $77. A hour of one-to-one coaching, conversions, and collaboration with buyers can get your questions answered by me. Discuss any stumbling blocks you are having with the product, or just ask anything they want about internet marketing. So all those things will be taught to you in the one-to-one coaching. And here are finally few of the key benefits you may be interested in getting this. Ideal for beginners and who are looking for generating money online passively or maybe full time, then definitely this is helpful. As I explained in the very beginning of this video, you need to first build your traffic or buyers list. Then Pinterest is the ideal interface to do that. So unless and until you have built your followers, buyers, and customers list, you are less likely to make money online. Just by watching YouTube videos and creating a website and putting some banners and affiliate link will not work simply. That's why I have also my own mentors, and I have spent thousands of dollars with them to gain knowledge, and then I have started making money online of my own. Okay, so that's what it is about. And keep watching this space. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it. I'll be sharing all those knowledges one by one in my upcoming review videos as well. Okay, so the next one is works perfectly in every niche. No technical skill required. Everyone can do this. Fail proof system, simple copy paste system, fuel your commissions immediately. 2020's best kept secret for free buyers traffic. Find out how to steal traffic legally. 30-day money back guarantee. We take risk. So as per the vendor promise. Okay, all of this covered by no question asked. 30-day money back guarantee as promised by the vendor, product creator. So this is what this product about, and to claim all of my bonuses that I explained to you in this bonus page, to claim all of them you need to take action before this countdown hits to 0 and this bonus page it goes down, and all of my bonuses along with the bumper bonuses will be disappeared from this bonus page. So this brings to the end of this review video of Profit Rocket. I hope you liked it. If you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing it and hit that like button there, so that you'll be getting the notifications whenever I upload any YouTube review video or any make money online niche related content and blogging related contents. So that's it from my side today. Signing off. This is Sujit Patel from Marketing Mindset, and I'll see you in my next review video. Until then, take care and bye bye.